Hello. Today I'm going to review the this bike, Giant Anyroad 1. Okay, take a closer shot at here. Okay, this is a cyclocross bike, which is a slightly upright position. That means a person may not bend so low in the normal racing cyclocross bike, but you have more upright position. Okay. Now, what's the difference between the cyclocross or a hybrid bike and a road bike or a mountain bike? So there's three kind of different bikes. Mainly the mountain bike, you know, those with very thick tires, very fat tires, where you can pass through any tree roots and anything like that. And there is also that kind of bike with very smooth, thin tires. Those are road bikes for racing, you know, where the Tour de France and all that. Those are very thin tires. Now, between those two extremes, you have this cross bike. The cross bike, as you will notice, the tire is not too thick, but also not too thin. And you have this hybrid type of wheels, okay, which is tough, and so it can go on trails. It can go on trails like that, or into the field like this. It can take trails like this. Okay, now let me show you the Giant Anyroad. A slightly different profile because the top tube bends down. Okay, and now the important feature of a cross bike is this type of brakes. It has two sets of brakes. Now, in a normal road bike, when the rider is riding in this position and there's an obstacle in front, he has to quickly change to this position to grab, or from this position he has to change to this position to grab the brakes. But with this extra set of bikes on this kind of bike, a person who is riding like this can just grab it and stop the bike, you know. So that's very good. The other thing is, the normal road bikes do not have disc brakes, but this bike has a disc brake, and that's very good in the wet conditions or muddy conditions. It will give you much more confidence in that kind of wet terrain, you know. So now, what about for climbing? Now, for climbing, this set of gears is very versatile, because in a normal road bike you might have 11 to 28, but this one is 11 and 34. That means there's 34 teeth in this large, the biggest cassette. Okay. Now, this allows you enough gears to climb very steep hills. Okay. So let me take a spin around here to show you. Okay. Hi. So if you are thinking of buying a new bike, I would recommend something, a hybrid bike, a cross bike like this, rather than a all out and out racing bike, because like I said, you don't have to bend very low, the profile is high.